Returning to wealthy coin, howdy everyone. Unveiling Samsung's revolutionary solution to maximize Shiba Inu value? Upcoming SHIB news. An on-chain analytics firm recently discovered that Shiba Inu was the cryptocurrency with the most new wallets during the past week. The baby boomer generation found banking to be a dull subject, but with the advent of programmable money and the internet, finance has become exciting. Many would likely choose Bitcoin as the most popular initial coin for new crypto adopters in the last 7 days if asked. Neither that nor Ethereum, the second most valuable cryptocurrency by market capitalization. A decentralized computer that operates on a peer-to-peer network appears to be the case. The latest Samsung approach to make $3 token from Shiba Inu is discussed in this video. Upcoming SHIB news. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. Based on statistics found by Nansen on the blockchain, Shiba Inu was the most popular non-stablecoin digital asset for newly funded crypto wallets over the last 7 days. A total of 12,000 new wallets were funded with $56 million worth of SHIB tokens by Nansen at that time. If you believe Nansen, these balances mostly include the RC20 token and a few stablecoins. Just like the market as a whole, the Shiba Inu went through a little downturn. After rising in January, stock prices began to decline at the same time as the retreat. Many pundits and analysts blamed the Fed's increased hawkish rhetoric on interest rates and disappointing economic statistics for the sell-off. The most popular trading pair for SHIB in terms of volume is wrapped Ether on Uniswap and ShibASwap. The majority of Shiba Inu and SHIB holdings, however, are held by Binance. Speculation has been circulating recently that Binance removed Shiba Inu from their listing. However, SHIB was delisted from specific trading pairs on the controlled crypto exchange alone. Decentralized app developers can now use SHIB as a native token in the newly revealed Shibarium ecosystem, which is built on Ethereum Layer 2. Data shows that the biggest Ethereum whale Shiba Inu holdings have increased by hundreds of millions of dollars in just over a week. Platform WhaleStats reports that since January 17th, the top 1,000 Ethereum whales have devoured $422 million worth of the meme currency. The same whales reportedly owned $168 million worth of SHIB before, indicating they grew their stake in Dogecoin's rival cryptocurrency by an astounding 151% in the span of 4 days. The top 1,000 Ethereum whales now hold Shiba Inu more than any other digital asset, according to data compiled by WhaleStats. The total value of SHIB assets held by the investor group has increased to $584 million. Along with QNT, which is worth $55 million, the high-net-worth traders also own Oracle provider Chainlink, which is worth $65 million, decentralized exchange Uniswap, which is worth $58 million, and the flashinary CryptoBit, which is worth $58 million. The price of the meme token jumped from $0.00001045 January 17th to a high of $0.00001210 that the whale activity centered around Shiba Inu may have affected the price. Since then, SHIB's value has kept going up, and it's now trading at $0.00000000. As the ecosystem prepares for a beta release of Shibarium, whales begin to accumulate SHIB. The Doge competitor suggested Layer 2. Like Polygon, Matic, Arbitrum, and Optimism Op, the protocol will be an Ethereum-based Layer 2 network. With the recent surge in cryptocurrency prices, Shiba Inu coin has done exceptionally well. Over the past week, there was a significant uptick in pricing with a rise of over 20%. In the months and years ahead, many investors anticipate huge gains. Notable clients of the English-Italian fashion designer John Richmond include Gwen Stefani, the Rolling Stones, Madonna, and many more celebrities. Presently, the fashion designer is shifting his attention to Web3. The benefits that decentralization offers to society are the inspiration for the new strategy. Richmond claims in his tweet that the groundbreaking punk rock movement and the invention of Web3 have many commonalities. According to the famous stylist, it embodies a strong spirit and a yearning for transformation, similar to the punk rock scene in the UK throughout the 1980s. Rock and roll's driving force has always been speaking up for the downtrodden, shattering barriers and questioning authority. Artists and members of the Web3 community are propelled by the same spirit. The name is John Richmond. Even though John Richmond has worked with the listers before, his latest project with Snoop Dogg is the cover of Vogue. The legendary hip-hop artist introduced some West Coast style to the fashion industry. That notion of John Richmond's to try out new designs is spot on with the defiant streetwear with a touch of classical dress. Snoop Dogg's appearance in Vogue magazine brought joy to the SHIB army. Several SHIB loyalists then took to Twitter to inquire with game creator Shintoshi Kusama about the possibility of a Snoop Dogg performance in SHIB the Metaverses. Ryoshi Plaza or Bark Park. Developers from Shiba Inu are working on an upcoming Web3 project called SHIB the Metaverse. Nevertheless, the launch of Shibarium, the Layer 2 scaling solution, is prerequisite to the launch of SHIB the Metaverse. What a stunning appearance, Snoop Dogg! The Metaverse would be privileged to have you perform at the Ryoshi Plaza concert with the hashtag SHIB. Hashtag SHIB Legion. Am I correct? This is SHIB token. The MV comes into SHIB. There it's Shintoshi Kusama. Do you think we can? Do you think we can? So far, nobody has chimed in. As main developer Shintoshi Kusama and official Shiba Inu ecosystem accounts hint at the projected debut date, the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain is eagerly anticipated by the Shiba Inu community. Based on clues left by Shintoshi Kusama in his Twitter status, the SHIB army has speculated that Valentine's Day, February 14th, will see the debut of the Shibarium beta. Updates to the Twitter bio of Shiba Inu principal developer Shintoshi Kusama hinted at the impending release of the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain. Take care of the Pine Tree of Life, says the updated bio, swiftly mastering the flute before presenting the hashtag Shibarium in a bow-adorned heart-shaped box. On January 20th, Shiba Inu whale Shibhalder tweeted that Valentine's Day, February 14th, is the projected date of Shibarium. According to the Shiba Inu community, the new bio suggests that the beta launch of Shibarium will take place on Valentine's Day. Even though we still have a ways to go until launch, the official Shibarium Twitter account has been posting documents on basic principles and the Bone-Yes token, so we can see that launch is almost here. According to data on GitHub, there has been an uptick in development activity surrounding Shibarium as well. But as was the case before, the launch could be postponed owing to unforeseen circumstances. The Shiba Inu and Bone tokens, meantime, are popular among whales. There has been a record high in both the share burn rate and social sentiment. Blockchain security pioneer Certic ranked Shiba Inu as the second most secure cryptocurrency project in his investigation. Price of Bone's ShibaSwap has risen by more than 8% in the past 24 hours, reaching $1.43 to interest from investors and whales. Samsung Wallet, the company's unified mobile wallet app, will soon be accessible in 8 additional countries, according to Samsung Electronics. The wallet software may soon be available in Singapore, Australia, Brazil, Hong Kong, Canada, India, Malaysia, and Taiwan, according to the South Korean digital behemoth. By the month's end in January, these nations will have Samsung Wallet support. In a recent press release, the business did clarify that the precise launch window would differ for each market and user device. The number of nations that support Samsung's Wallet app has grown from 7 at the app's release in June 2022 to 21 as of the most recent statement. At this time, Samsung Galaxy customers in the following countries can download the Samsung Wallet app: Korea, United Kingdom, France, China, Denmark, Spain, Finland, Germany, Italy, Kazakhstan, Kuwait, Norway, Oman, Qatar, South Africa, Sweden, Switzerland, Vietnam, and the United Arab Emirates. The app is more than just a payment gateway, it also includes Samsung's blockchain wallet integration and security measures. Bolstered by Samsung Knox, their proprietary security platform, this means that anyone with a Samsung cell phone can use the wallet software to track their digital assets, even though it isn't crypto-specific. The wallet facilitates this with an interface that grants access to price data from several exchanges for cryptocurrencies. So concludes today's activities. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up.